Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 10, and the chapter which we are related with is capital and revenue. As usual, 5 entries are given, their detail would be put over here. Then we will decide it is capital or revenue. Finally, reason would be put. We are very open to start our question. So first entry, profit on sale of shares held by a firm. Please underline held by firm. That means this company or this firm had invested some amount in other organization. These investments are not made for shorter period of time. And secondly, you do not sell regularly. Shares are sold once in several years. So that is why if you have earned some profit on sale of shares, it's a rare event. So you will call it capital. But secondly, please note we have received profit. So you may call it a capital receipt as you have received. But the reason would be applied as we usually apply upon capital. Hopefully you understood. Once again I'm telling you, shares held by firm. It means it was an investment. So you have better idea. We do not invest for shorter period of time. We usually invest in other organization or shares for the longer period of time, and we do not sell those shares quickly or frequently. If you have earned that profit by selling your shares, it's a rare event. That is why you have considered it as your capital. And you can see that it would not happen in shorter period of time. So we are choosing the same reason over here. So our first entry has been completed where we have decided profit on sale of share is capital profit. Alright guys, next is amount spent on purchase of patent. Patent we have discussed for several times. Patents and trademarks are associated with goodwill, and this is for the very longer period of time. So patents are considered as capital, and patents are near assets. So you can write as asset is acquired. So this reason is most suitable. Patents are considered as your assets, and you are buying those patents. Look at here, purchase of patents. So asset is acquired is the most suitable reason. Number three, interest paid on loan borrowed for business. Whatever you are doing, but underline this business. If you are spending any amount for your business, obviously it is for the shorter period of time, and you will have to spend amount on business again and again. So if you are paying this interest on loan, again interest would be paid by month usually. It is also revenue, but this loan was taken for the business. So interest on loan for business. Business term is used for the frequent steps. Continuously you are doing business. Almost daily transactions are associated for goods, commodities, merchandises, or for business. So that is why you will call it revenue. Why? Because it would happen again and again, or you can choose it is made for the shorter period of time. So here we will put the reason as we have decided loan, and you are paying interest. Interest is frequent activity. Within a year you will be paying this interest again. One reason, and secondly this loan was for your business. And when you have taken loan from business for the business, it means it's usual activity. It is usual activity, and it would be happening again in next shorter period of time. Now we will see our fourth entry, premium given on lease. It is also discussed earlier that lease is an activity which is done for several years. I have given you example of Hong Kong was given on lease for 99 years. So normally contract of lease is made for several years. So the person who is paying premium, he is doing this transaction for the longer period of time. So we will call it capital because this would not happen again. It is made for the longer period of time. First narration or the reason is most suitable. So you will put over here. It is made for the longer period of time. These I have told you 99 years as an example. So please understand lease would not be made for shorter period of time. Now next is legal expenses for income tax. We already know that income tax is paid for 1 year and next year you will have to pay again. So any kind of expense related to income tax would be for the shorter period of time. That is why you will call it as your revenue. Alright, when it is for shorter period of time, it means it would happen again. Next year you will be doing the same thing again. Income tax benefit is just for 1 year. So we have called it revenue. So guys, in this way our question has been completed. All 5 entries are in front of you. And now it is requested to please practice this question by yourself. And even after practicing, if you are feeling anything difficult, you are very open to ask your questions and share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact. I will be trying my best to answer your queries instantly. So it's time to end our lecture. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.